My name is Aldo Rizwan, and you are watching OG Fashion. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about should guys get their eyebrows done. And I know what you're thinking, like, is this guy serious? Like, getting his eyebrows done? Like, what? Guys getting their eyebrows done? Honestly, guys, in 2018, it's not that uncommon. I know a lot of guys who get their eyebrows done, and, I definitely suggest you be one of them. Now, I'm not saying go out and get them threaded, get them waxed, make it very obvious that you just went out and got your eyebrows done. What you want to do is kind of go for that natural look. Go for something that kind of suits your personality, looks like your face is nice and clean, you're well groomed, not so much that you specifically got your eyebrows done. And trust me, the females, they will definitely notice that something's up if you have eyebrows that are perfect and much better than them. But if your eyebrows just look clean, they might compliment you, and they might not be able to tell, are they natural? The key word is natural. You always want to go for the natural look. This way, it's not overdone. As with anything, if you go to extremes, you will not look presentable. You could look metrosexual, and I know that a lot of guys, particularly, when they think of getting their eyebrows and they're like, no, like, metrosexual, that's what I'll look like. But that's not the case. You gotta think of, if I do it properly, if I do it naturally, how will I really look then? And the answer is stellar and banging, because we all know those girls, they're gonna wanna really hit that if you look nice, clean, and well groomed. And getting your eyebrows done is just part of that. It's just like getting a haircut. Now, I actually got mine done today at the salon, so they look pretty neat right now. But if you're a guy and you're just starting out and you want to try this at home, you don't need to go to a salon. All you need is a set of tweezers. Just go around your eyebrows and just pluck out those extra hairs. Those hairs that, kind of get rid of that natural shape. Those hairs that look out of place. You get rid of those and you really achieve that natural look. There's really no need to go to a salon, to even ask your barber to shape it up. You can literally do it in your bathroom. You do it once a week and I guarantee your eyebrows will be always looking fresh, clean, and well groomed. Well, that's it for me today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode. Comment down below what you really think. Should guys get their eyebrows done or should they not? Some people still think it's a feminine thing. And I'm here to tell you it's okay. And if you haven't tried it, I definitely still do recommend it. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode.